Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Wake up, wake up. So, we are learning chapter number 6 going to sleep. That's why I call you to wake up. Okay, don't get sleep. I know you are getting enough sleep at your home. You don't have any worries about anything. Fine. So, in last class, we came to know how Mr. Fogg, that means disturbed and could not get sleep. We found two reasons. First was his wife disturbed him by asking a stupid question. Second, his baby started crying when he was sleeping, and again he started counting what? Sheep, imaginary sheep, right? So let us know another reason. Fine. Open page number 56. We are going to learn paragraph number 3rd. Ready? Steady? Then po. Okay. He had just finished counting the 64th sheep. Okay. So how many sheep? First time he counted 148th. Second time he counted 120 sheep. And third time he is counting 64th. Okay, 64th means 64 sheep. Okay. And when his aunt knocked on the door and he was about to sleep that time, suddenly his aunt knocked on the door, asked him if he was awake. Oh my God. It's like that. सोता हुआ को जगह कर पूछना कि तुम सो रहे तो नहीं. How embarrassing, right? How stupid. It's not we Indian ask generally this question. If somebody is eating, then we'll ask, खा रहे हो? If somebody is sitting, बैठे हो? Hari, you can see. Then why are you asking, right? You ask such question that you don't know, right? Even you are studying, somebody will come and ask, पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? Of course you are studying, right? Okay, fine. Shall we move to next? Yes. She said that he had forgotten to close the back door. Okay, and she said that Mr. Fogg forgotten to close the back door. That means they have both the side door, right? The front side and back side. So she reminded that Mr. Fogg he forgot to close the back door. She thought she had heard thieves in the backyard, and she thought that some thieves, that means चोर, पीछे की तरफ घुस गए हैं और वो शायद चोरी करने के इरादे से आए हैं. You know, old lady, they can also imagine something. What do you think? Mr. Fogg got up from the bed, and suddenly Mr. Fogg got up from the bed in anger. Why he was in anger? Because he was not getting sleep, and when he tried to sleep and he was troubled by some stupid reason, something like that, and went down to check, and he went down to get clear or check whether he closed the back door or not. He found the door firmly closed, and he found that the door was properly closed. Okay, firmly means अच्छी तरह से, firmly closed or tightly, properly closed. Now you imagine what would have happened that time. Obviously Mr. Fogg would get angry. Then मुझे सोने ही नहीं दे रहे हैं भाई. Oh, poor Fogg. On returning to his room, he decided to count sheep one more time. And when he was returning from the back door, he decided again I'll count the sheep one more time and go back to sleep again. This time he reached 240 sheep. How many? 240. Okay, 240 sheep. He counted up to 240 sheep. He was nearly asleep when the neighbors cats started fighting loudly, and he was really about to get sleep. His eyes was dozing up, बंद होते जा रहा था नींद से. And that time he could hear the noise. Whose noise? Neighbors whose cat started fighting. That mean वही टाइम पे फाइटिंग करना था. Huh? See, I'll show you in the picture. See, so this is Mr. Fogg. Cats were fighting. They broken something, thrown, comb also, brush, shoe. So many things are there. Now you will get the secret why these things are there in this picture. Okay? Fine. I will tell you. Let us move to page number 57. Yeah. Mr. Fogg was very upset. Mr. Fogg was so upset because he is trying to get sleep and everybody disturbing him. He leaped out of bed and went to the window. Leaped out means उठ जाना. Okay. He leaped out of the bed and went to window. I saw you in the picture. He was standing near the window. He began to throw anything he could find at the cats. His boot, a soap dish, a comb, a plate, a brush, and so on. See, now I'll show you in the picture. So, these things are, thrown by Mr. Fogg. He thrown all those things to get them silent. Plates, comb, brush, shoe, soap, all these things, because he whatever reached to his hands, he started throwing at them, so that he can sleep after that. Finally, he managed to get the cats to go back inside and remain silent. Finally, oh my god, finally he managed to get the cats go back inside and remain keep quiet, silent. It seemed silly to continue counting the sheep again, and he thought that it is मूर्खता होगी or silly होगी if he would count the sheep again. But Mr. Fogg wanted to try it one last time. So Mr. Fogg really wanted to try at the last final time. What he will count? Sheep. That sheep jumping on the fence. Fence. Okay. So he will count them. And last time he said, last time I will count, after that I will not count, whatsoever would be there. This time the trick nearly worked. This time the trick nearly worked. That means वो पहुंच ही गया था अपनी मंजिल की तरफ, अपने एम की तरफ. what was his aim? To get a sleep. After imagining the 82nd sheep jump over the fence. So how many sheep he counted? 82nd. 82nd means 82. 82 sheep jump over the fence. He was floating gently into the land of dreams. Now he was just entering to the lands of dream. In dream you can go anywhere, whatever you can want you can get in dream. That was when I will tell you interesting story after that. That was when his wife rolled out of bed and fell on the floor with a loud thud. So he was about to sleep. He entered to the dreamland. At that time, what happened? His wife, she rolled out from the bed and fell on the floor. That means bed se वो rolled होते होते नीचे गिर गई. And it got a sound like third sound. धड़क से जैसे sound आता है, right? The baby woke up. Then again the baby woke up and started crying again. Sorry for my laughing. I cannot control. His wife fell down, and because of that noise, the baby again started crying. And what happened next? Of course, Mr. Fox could not sleep. He woke up, right? Soon, Mr. Fox aunt too came in and asked, "Did you feel the earthquake?" So, suddenly, what happened? Let me control myself. Yes. Suddenly, what happened? His aunt, who stay with them, okay, she came back to their bedroom and asked Mr. Fogg, "Hey, Mr. Fogg, did you feel the earthquake?" So, where was the earthquake? Yes, when his wife fell down from the bed, the sound, third sound, made to think the aunt like that earthquake is happening or going on, right? I'm sorry. Okay. So this is another reason. That means all the region came together. That means finally, and he thought that this is the last time he is counting. After that, he will not count. Let us see. Finally, what did he do? Mr. Fogg did not know what to do. Then he didn't think that what to do now. Why I'm not getting any sleep and everything went on like wind. You can say. He grabbed a pillow and went to the sofa. Then he grabbed means एक पिलो पकड़ कर लेकर गया सोफा के पास and sorry in the sitting room. So he went to the sitting room, okay, drawing room also you can say, sitting room, and lay down there and lay down on sofa. He fell asleep. See, this time he fell asleep without counting any sheep that jumping over fence. When he woke up in the morning, he was quite sure that counting sheep could not help anyone sleep. Okay, and when he woke up in the morning, he realized that counting sheep, okay, it never help anybody to get sleep. Okay, only you need a peaceful mind and a quiet environment. Close your eyes, just go to a deep sleep. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the chapter, right? I enjoyed a lot. And if you enjoyed the chapter, if you liked my explanation, please, for motivation, message me. Okay. Good day, children. You write down question answer. Fine. Of your seen unseen passage. Complete that one and see. Completed all the work, your notebook, your textbook, your worksheet, because we are going to check it. Okay. So before 28th of July, your work to be completed properly. I think from 30th of July, we will be calling you to submit your work. And this time we will not extend any time for you to submit, that you are submitting today, the day after tomorrow, like this. No, you have to submit on the time so that we can check it. We will get enough time to check it, check your notebooks and all. Fine. Good day, children.